Hi there everyone, it's Adam here from adaminsights.com, and in this video we're going to be unboxing the Leica Summaron 28mm f5.6. This is probably the most unusual Leica lens of all of the Leica lenses, regardless of mount. It's definitely the smallest one that they make, and it's actually a remake of an original lens from the 1950s. Leica actually describes it as original, not retro. The Summaron is modelled on a screw-mount lens produced at the Leitz factory in Wetzlar from 1955 to 1963. Its unmistakable signature is almost impossible to reproduce by digital means and makes the lens a true classic that is now reborn in a revised edition with exactly the same optical properties as the original. So this is actually really special. It's all about the beauty in imperfection in a lens. Because hey, these days we just strive for perfection. Like we just want to pixel peep and have the sharpest, most amazing lenses and best ever sensors. This lens is famous for having some characters that, or really just having a character that no other lens has. And I almost find it a tad ironic because we often buy like absolutely perfect lenses for all of our cameras, and we try and take the most perfectly exposed images with the latest sensor technology, only to try and edit it to look a little bit retro or like film or a little bit different anyway. So yeah, that's why I guess this lens is really special, and I'm actually really looking forward to sticking it on my MA or maybe my MP film Leica M bodies and putting it putting it in front of some Kodak Pro Image 100 or some Kodak Portra and just seeing what it does. So just before we jump right into the unboxing, I just want to give another shout out to Photoco. They're my Leica dealer in Adelaide. So Photoco is I would say the best, as far as I'm concerned, Photoco is the best Leica dealer in Australia. They're located in the Adelaide Central Market, and what makes them really great is that they just seem to be able to get all of the hard to get stuff really quickly. So any other dealer that seems to say, oh yeah, we can get you that lens, but it's going to be a 2 or 3 month wait, Photoco just seems to make it happen in like a week. It's been fantastic. And Photoco's pricing absolutely beats everyone else out there. The price that I got this lens for, it absolutely smashes all of the online retailers and all the others out there. Photoco's pricing for Leica in Australia is just amazing. I'm really happy with it. And the service from their staff, brilliant. If ever I've had an issue, they really do fight for you to get it sorted out with the manufacturer, which has been great. And I'm really impressed with their second-hand range as well. You can really trust them with their really great second-hand range. So to the guys at Photoco, thank you. And they also actually operate easily Australia's best camera expo in Adelaide, at the Adelaide Central Market. The Adelaide Camera Expo by Photoco is definitely the best camera expo in Australia. Anyway, without further ado, let's jump right into the unboxing here. So we'll just open up the tab. I have noticed that Leica is starting to thin up their cardboard a little bit, which is a bit of a shame because I used to really enjoy the nice unboxing experience, and I think that Leica is starting to economize the board of a lot of their boxes a bit. So here we have got this little booklet here, register your product. Fair enough, we can get into that later. We've got the nice soft and smooth lens pouch. Yep, nice one. General information for the M lens. Yeah, that's nice. Because I've got tons and tons of Leica M lenses now, I've kind of read this plenty of times. And here is the test certificate. So there's my one, all signed off, very happy. Alright, we'll just, in fact we will just put this back and we'll take the top part off. So we'll just drop these back in there. Now this is where the unboxing gets really cool, because we've now got this cute little box in here. So yeah, we just undo the ribbon. Nice one. That is actually a nice retro style box. Okay, maybe I take it back what I said earlier. Leica does still do nice unboxings. And there we have the lens, and there we have the hood. So let's just have a quick squiz at the hood first. Nice. Very, very heavy. Feels strong and reliable. There's the screw just to fasten it to the front of the lens. That's cool. Okay. Now, wow, that is a very heavy lens. Let's move that over there. Nice. Very heavy, very unusual. This is actually the, this part here is actually the infinity lock. So you can lock the lens in at infinity. I believe that actually works a bit better when it's mounted on the camera. So stay tuned, we are going to put this on the camera and we're going to take some sample photos with it. It will take me a little while because I'm going to do it on film. There's our aperture. Yeah, I can't really get that to work when it's not on the camera yet. So this is actually where it looks really cool. So if we take the lens cap off, there we go. Let's just open it up and stop it down. Very nice pressed steel lens cap, or pressed brass lens cap I should say. So that is the Leica Summaron 28mm f5.6. You may be wondering, what is the point of buying a f5.6 lens? Well, yeah, and that took me a little while to figure it out as well, because I've got a 28mm f1.4 Summilux, and that's arguably my favourite lens because I can shoot in I can take it out at night and I can shoot handheld at low ISOs and have a great time. This lens is all about having some rare qualities, and it's all about shooting with the Sunny 16 rule. Check out my video on the Sunny 16 rule as well. This lens is all about finding the beauty in imperfection, and it's all about working just out and about and shooting something that looks really special with a nice retro look. So I'm really looking forward to trying this, and again, thank you to the guys at PhotoCo for doing me such a great deal and getting this in so quickly.